Welcome to the green baize, the silent battleground of snooker and billiards cue sports. This game's core challenge is a demanding test of geometrical precision and foresight, requiring players to master the stillness of their body while mapping out complex trajectories across the table. The objective is to pocket balls in a specific sequence, but the true goal is positional control, ensuring the cue ball lands exactly where it needs to be for the next shot. The fundamental mechanic is cue ball control using spin side, coup, top, or screw to dictate the ball's path after impact, a demonstration of cause and effect mastery, originating from military officers in India who needed an indoor version of croquet. The game was formalized in the late 19th century, evolving into a quiet, intense, intellectual duel. We look to the legends who defined absolute command of the table. The unparalleled Ronnie O'Sullivan, often called the Rocket, whose blistering speed and intuitive genius demonstrate that when one achieves technical mastery, they gain the freedom to trust their instincts completely, playing the game at an inhuman pace. Contrast this with the tactical, relentless focus of players like Stephen Hendry, who dominated through sheer mental fortitude and an aggressive, safety-first approach, teaching us the value of tactical consistency and ruthlessly capitalizing on the opponent's slightest error. Ultimately, snooker teaches US life's most profound lessons. The necessity of thinking 3 steps ahead, sacrificing the easy, immediate shot for the better, safer position later on. The power of stillness under pressure. Learning to quiet the mind and body when the stakes are highest. And the realization that control isn't about power, but about the delicate management of small, precise forces to orchestrate a complex, long-term outcome.